Question 24. Cube A and cuboid B have the same volume. Now remember, volume of a cube or a cuboid is basically length times width times height, or L times W times H for short, but we will just write length, width and height on there. So length times width times height, L times W times H. So it says calculate the missing length on cuboid B. Well, in order to do this, we need to first of all work out the volumes of both shapes. So on shape A, which is the cube, so shape A, we've got L times W times H, and because it's a cube, the length is 6, but the width must be also 6, and the height must be also 6. So it's basically 6 times 6 times 6. Let's work that out. Well, 6 times 6 is 36, and then we would need to times that by 6 as well. So 36 times 6, let's figure that out. 6 6s are 36, put the 6 in, carry the 3. 6 3s are 18, plus the 3 is 21. So that would be 216 centimetres cubed. Don't forget, when we're dealing with volume, it's centimetres cubed. It's not centimetres squared, because that is area, because that's a two-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shapes have a volume, and the units are in centimetres cubed. So, shape A has a volume of 216 centimetres cubed. Now, it says that they've got the same volume, so shape B must also be 216 centimetres cubed. But this time it's a bit different because we don't know what this mystery question mark is here. But what we do know is that on shape B, it's still length times width times height, because that's always what it is for a cube or a cuboid to get the volume. So length times width times height must be equal to 216. So we don't know what the length is, but what we do know is that the width and height are 6 and 4. So L times 6 times 4, if we just replace the width and height with this 6 and this 4, must be equal to 216, because it's got the same volume as the cube, which is 216. Now we can do the logical thing on the next line of timesing the 6 by 4, which is 24. So instead of writing L times 6 times 4, we can write L times 24 is equal to 216. So let's just think about what we've got now. So we've basically got L, which is the mystery length, times by 24 is 216. So if we can work in reverse, L times 24 is 216. To get what L is, we're going to need to work in reverse and divide by 24. So 216 divided by 24 will give us whatever L is. So 216 divided by 24. Well, the easy way to do this is to think, well, 10 24s would be 240. So if you knock off another 24 from 240, you do actually get 216. So knocking off one lot of 24 from 10 24s would leave you with 9 24s. So 9 24s must be 216. So when you do 216 divided by 24, you're going to get 9, which makes the L, the length of that cuboid, 9. So this question mark here is basically worth 9 centimetres. Just to double check, we've got 6 times 4 times 9. So 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 times 9, does it give us 216? Well, 9 times 4 is 36, put the 6 in, carry the 3, and 9 2s are 18, plus the 3 is 21. So it does indeed give us 216. So if the cube is 216 centimetres cubed and the cuboid is 216 centimetres cubed, the only value that the question mark could be is 9 centimetres.